All right, problem number 2 from the 4-5 notes. Okay, what do we got here? It says, a concert seating plan is shown below. Reserved seating is sold out. Total revenue from ticket sales will depend on the number of general seating tickets sold. Write a function rule to represent this situation. What is the maximum total revenue? Now, I'm going to be honest, I hate this question because they make you make a formula, they make you make a function when you don't even really need to. Okay, let's see here. Max out. Okay, if you wanted to max out, figure out how many seats there are in each section and then take it times the number of price per seat. Okay, so right here, you've got 10 rows, 12 seats per row. That's going to be 120 seats. Okay. Right here you have 30 rows, 16 seats per row. That's going to be 30 times 16, which I don't know off the top of my head. All right, so I'm going to go and cheat a little bit here. Ooh, looks like I was graphing something weird. We might do that in class sometime. Who knows? What do we got? 30 times 16. Hey, 480. There you go. So we have 480 seats right here. Okay. Ooh, look at that spelling. It's amazing. Okay, so 25 bucks a piece, 10 bucks a piece. So you can max out at $4,800 right there. And then let's see here, 120 times 25. Let's see what we got here. 3,000. Okay. So if you were to max out the reserve seating and the general seating, add that together, it looks like we're going to have a total of $7,800 for this concert. That seems really low. I feel like concerts make way more money than that. But then again, $10 and $25. That seems like really low concert prices. I don't know. I've never been to a concert. I don't know if I have. But they do this whole weird, like, hey, look at fancy. We're super smart. We're going to make it really complicated. No. Students, do not make things more complicated. Make them simple, okay? Efficiency over complexity, always. Let's get down to the got it question. Here we go. Hopefully this one's a little bit easier, a little more smarter-ish like. Here we go. The got it question. A kennel charges $15 per day to board dogs. That sounds important. Upon arrival, each dog must have a flea bath that costs 12 bucks. Write a function rule for the total cost for N days of boarding plus a bath. How much does a 10-day... Oh, wait, we got to make a function, then we got to do math with it. Okay, here we go. So with most mathematical situations or prices, there's usually some type of initial fee and then a price per item. So for us, it's per day. Rentals, usually they'll give you some type of deposit and then it's so much money per day. There's lots of other situations like that. There's usually some type of initial fee and then some type of rate. So anytime it's that, here's what you want to do. Anytime you have a money problem, you want to go total equals the fee plus the rate. All right, that's usually the one that has the word per day, for each, for every. So in this case, it's the word per. So there's our multiplication. There's our rate, and there's our fee. Okay, so here we go. Total cost for putting these dogs in the kennel is going to be the $12 bathing fee for fleas. The fee for fleas, haha, fee, flea, get it? No, okay. And then it's going to be 15. I'm going to use the variable D per day. If I haven't mentioned that already, usually you want to have your variables match up with the thing you are talking about. You could use T for total or C for cost. They say we got to use? Uh-oh, I broke the rules. It says N for the number of days. Uh-oh. Excuse me for trying to be efficient and use my own variables. I'm so sorry. Again, you could use T or cost, whatever works for you. And then what else did it say? How much for a 10-day stay? Okay, so then N, the number of days, which makes sense. N days. D, the number, whatever. I'm not even going to argue about it. Just go 10 right in there. So for 10 days, you throw a 10 in there. Oops, sorry, lights went off. If I stay still for too long, the lights turn off. I apologize. 10 goes in there, so I'm going to go 12 plus 15 times 10, 150 bucks, so 162. So a 10-day stay is going to cost you $162 for your little brother, your dog or little sister. What is this here? Does a 5-day stay cost half as much as a 10-day stay? Ooh, sounds mathematical. Yes, that's half the price. Ooh, but that initial fee is going to stay the same. Now, if it was just the cost per day, 15 bucks times 5, 15 bucks times 10. If it was just this, 5 times 15, 5 times oops, sorry, 10 times 5. Oh yeah, that would totally be half, right? But it's not that. It's also the plus 12. You would still have the fee. You would still have the fee. So it almost looks like it would be half as much, but this plus does not make it half as much. Okay, so let's see, 5 times 15, I think that'd be 75. 75 plus 12, and then you'd have 150 plus 12. So it almost looks like it's half, but it's not quite. So let's take a look here. 75 plus 12, sorry, what am I doing? 162, and 75 plus 12 would be 87. And I don't believe that's half. Oops. Ooh, it's close. Almost half. I guess you could say almost half, but if we're going for accuracy, no, it would not be half. So does a 5-day stay cost half as much? Meh. Kinda. But not really. All right, goodbye.